Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find winning products for your online store. This is perfect for those of you who are thinking of starting a dropshipping store or starting the regular e-commerce store, but you're not sure what products to sell, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to quickly know what the popular products are so you can implement that in your stores. This is great for those who are new to business and for those who are already currently running an e-commerce store. But guys, as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Those of you who are doing drop shipping, who are looking for trending products, or those of you who are thinking of doing an online business, or you want to do a side hustle, but you don't know what product to sell, you don't know if this is going to be a winning product. There is a tool on TikTok that basically tells you what are the winning products, what are the popular products, and then you can pretty much go and learn that and then implement that in your businesses. And guys, this ain't just for people that or that are already selling that are thinking of selling products or thinking of doing drop shipping. This could be like an add-on product. So if you're, for example, selling wigs online, right, and then you find out, oh, a popular product is like a makeup bag, you could add that on to your existing business, right? So guys, this tool is going to benefit a lot of people. So I'm going to show you. So guys, go into Google, our trusted Google right here, and you just type in Creative Insights TikTok. That's it. Once you're done, you click enter, and then you just click on here. Then, once you've done that, all you've got to do, guys, it's so simple. All you've got to do, you'll see at the top here, it says top products, top products. You just select that, you just click on that, and then guys, right here, it literally shows you the top products in the last 7 days. You can check the products in the last in certain times of the month. So if you're trying to find out, oh, what are the popular products during winter time? What are the popular products during summertime? What are the popular products during springtime? You can know that, and that is going to help you in terms of strategizing, in terms of what products to sell to people. Because if the demand for the products is already there, all you got to do really is put the products in front of people's faces. Run some Facebook ads to it, run some TikTok ads to it. You're basically putting the product that people already want and they're already looking for, and put it in front of their faces. And that should increase your likelihood of getting sales. Guys, look, last 7 days. Okay, here we got makeup tools, casual dresses, hair and scalp treatments, cases, perfume, t-shirt, shampoo, necklaces, teeth whitening products, right? And guys, you can see here this popularity change, yeah? This basically shows you if it's becoming more and more popular. So this has gone up by 8%. This is going up by 43. This has got 43%. This has gone up by 7%. This is going down a little bit, right? And guys, you can see the CTR. So click-through rate is the percentage of people that saw the ad and clicks on it. Because guys, this is based on ads that people are running, right? So you can see that, okay, cool. Like the products that other people are selling, how is it working for them? Because if it's working well for them and you use those same elements or model those same elements for your own business, you should get some good results as well. The conversion rate, look at the conversion rates, guys. These are high conversion rates, over 3%. The CPAs, the cost per acquisition, the cost, right? Wow. So guys, this is literally the amount of money spent on the ad during its schedule. 96K, guys. 12K, right? And guys, and the good thing is this year, you're not just limited to the United Kingdom. You can go into other markets. You can check the US. You can check other countries as well. Another great thing about this tool is that you can look at the product, go by product category. So if you're in a business that's like makeup, just anything to do with makeup, then you can go into the makeup category and find the most popular products in the makeup category. This is going to be very useful for people who are already selling products in specific categories or industries or niches, right? So if you sell baby clothes, for example, like baby and maternity, just click in here and then here. Like maybe you should think about adding baby toys to upsell or to cross-sell to your customers. Maybe you should think about selling nappy bags. Because look, increased by 200%. These are very popular products within the specific industry or niche. So this is great for those of you who are selling products already, but are looking to sell other products that are related to what you're already selling to people already. Yeah. A good thing here, guys, is that if you hover over this, you can see the specific products. You can see the specific products to give you some good ideas. If you want to look deeper, all you got to do is click on details. And guys, look, the cost total, 457 USD. These are the related videos. These are the types of videos, the hashtags. You can even go into audience insights. And here, guys, you can see the age range of people that are reacting to these campaigns and to these products. And you can see the interests. And there's a high likelihood that when it comes to TikTok ads, these are the interests that they are targeting. Right? And for those of you running Facebook ads, you can get some ideas and use these interests in Facebook. Yeah. So guys, use this tool. Again, it's a new tool. TikTok is they're really pulling out all the stops, right? To help business owners and marketers do better at their job, right? So guys, use this tool. This is going to put you so far ahead of your competitors in terms of what to sell online, in terms of what is popular, in terms of what is in demand currently. Bear in mind, the only caveat here is bear in mind that if you jump on a product that's already popular, bear in mind that it may not always be popular. So it's good to always not just look at the last 7 days, look at the last year, look at the last 30 days, look at it over a longer timeline. So you can see, and if you see that, oh, it's still the same product that's popular, then you may want to seriously consider actually jumping onto that particular product, especially if you're looking for a product to sell over the long term, not just a product that you just want to make a quick buck. Because it's not always about that. Sometimes it's getting a product and selling it over a long term, improving with time, increasing the awareness of your brand in association with that product, right? So guys, if you want to learn more stuff about TikTok ads, Facebook ads, I've got my links in the description. And guys, as usual, I'm going to come back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. See you guys later.